What do you think, guys? How long does it take to be a profitable trader? Can you be profitable in 2 years? In 1 year? Do you think it's possible to be profitable in 2 years? Is it possible to be a professional basketball or football player in 2 years of practice? 3 years? 4 years? 5 years? Is it possible? Is it possible to become a doctor in 3 years? Or does it take a bit longer? Do you think it takes 10 years for them to be a good doctor? 15 years? It doesn't look that difficult, does it? Well, it depends obviously on what kind of doctor, but it takes years and years and years of practice. Taylor, I don't think you would want someone with 3 years of practice or some knowledge, 3, 4 years of knowledge to operate you. Would you go to that doctor to have your operations? I don't think so. So it takes years and years. So if you're one of those traders or wannabe trader that is trying to be profitable but keeps on losing, just keep on going. Don't give up because it takes many years. It's easy to learn technical analysis. It probably takes about 2 3 years to get that. If you do it every day, so 2 3 years, you know your technicals. But then it takes probably double that to become profitable or break even. I would say it takes about 5 years to become break even. And then hopefully, if you continue year 6, year 7, year 8, you can say you're profitable. What makes it easier? Having another income or two sources of income. You have to keep your job or business or whatever just to make money. That's what most of them do. They learn the technicals, they know the TA, and they start teaching. Selling courses, that's the source of income. YouTube. And they practice trading. And most of them are scammers, so they just sell courses and tell you how much they've made, but they don't make any money, trust me. They lose, they don't make any money. It's like 0.1% of people playing in this game can make some money, if any. If you make less than 10% a year trading, well, if you can make that, that's good. That's really, really good. But if you make that 10% a year on your account, that's basically like investing your money into S&P or Bitcoin or anything, something else, and not doing anything else, not touching it, you'll probably make more. If you make 30% a year on your account, you would be considered as one of the best traders in the world. There's a guy on Twitter. I don't really know him, I don't follow him, but I've seen one of the prop firms, the owner of the prop firm, he said The guy makes 30% a year profit, and he's considered to be the best in the world, one of the best, one of the best. You know, it's not much when you think. If I put a gun to your head and I told you you can only have one trade a year, do you think you could make that 30%? You would. You would probably be able to make that 30% profit a year. It would take you a year or two to learn what the bottom or the top looks like. Well, maybe not exact bottom or top, but roughly, yeah. For example, we keep coming down, yeah. We never know where the bottom is. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Market structure change, yeah. So this is the main market structure. It was change here. Here. Let me put this on. What happens after the market structure is changed? Well, usually we go to support, to test support, which is usually about golden pocket 618 from the last low, from the impulse, where the impulse started. Usually 618. It doesn't have to be 618. It could be less, could be 0.382 or 0.5. It was almost 618. So from this, if you were to buy here, where market structure changed, here, 30% a year. If you bought here and sold here, you would have been here. That's your profit for the year. You would be considered the best trader in the world. So is it difficult to be a profitable trader? It is. I think the main problem is greed. Greed is the biggest thing that makes people lose money, because winning a few percent is never enough. You want more and more and more. So if you're not there yet, just zoom out and try figuring out what the bottom looks like and what the top looks like. I know it's difficult, but if you study that for a year, that would be good enough. That would be a really, really good thing for you. Just study it. Okay? Talk to you tomorrow.